Welcome to Currency Watch. This is Chris Keene from akeenpointofview.com. So the Greek elections ended this Sunday, and we didn't have an end of the world event. The new Democratic Party has won the elections, but didn't win control of the entire government. So if it is going to continue, they need to put a consortium together to have a majority to pass any bills, which I believe they know 150 members to have control over the government. And if this doesn't occur, they'll have to do a runoff election in the near future. I don't know exactly when that would be, but let's look at what happened in the price action and see which pairs are interesting positions heading into tonight's trading. The first pair, what we're going to look at is the Euro USD, and as you can see, it spiked higher after the results of the election, and it moved all the way up to touch the 127.50 area. But throughout trading on Monday, the cross moved down and is currently resting right near trend line support, and this is the same trend line that has contained the pair since its move up since early May. Since the beginning of this month. As long as the pair can remain above this trend line level, I would assume that the cross is going to continue its move higher. And our first target on this move higher would be a test of this week's highs around 127.50. And if we can break that, a move up to the 50 fib around 127.84. If we break this trend line now, we could see a move back down to the 124.40 level. As you can see, it supported the pair 1, 2, 3, 4 test of that level. So what to keep in mind tonight is my thought is as long as we stay above the trend line, we'll continue to move higher. The next pair we're going to look at is the Aussie USD and the New Zealand USD. As you can see, both these pairs closed up or near the highs of the day and have moved all the way up to test the 0.618 fib level from the move higher this month. This level may cap price action. If I was going to purchase this pair, I wouldn't buy here right now. I would look for a move back down towards the trend line, which is around the 50 fib, around parity, around 102.20. If you could get a move back down, that would be a good place to purchase for a push higher and ultimately a test of this fib level, and then move past it towards 102.20 or 103.50 to end the week. I know that would be a big move, but this would be the target price. The next pair I'm looking at is New Zealand USD. As you can see, this pair is just consolidated throughout basically the last 48 hours. And I would just watch this trend line, this trend or this range right in here, which is capped by the 68 fib at 79.36 and by daily support at 78.90. If we get a break, a confirmed break in either direction, that will dictate the price action. If we get a break lower, we could probably head towards the 50 fib and even further towards 78. If we get a break move higher, the first target would be a flat 80 price target. The next pair we're going to look at is the USD CAD. Just because the CAD appears, if we look at a longer time frame, to be inside a wedge, the cross has been well supported at the 102 level. And as long as the pair remains above 102, we could see any move down here bounce back over to the trend line. For the time being, I would actually play the range inside of here and not look for breakouts. But if we do get a breakout below 102, we could move down towards I would say 101.30, 101.35 initially. If we get a break higher, we'll probably head up back towards 103.20 or 103.60. And the last pair we're going to look at tonight is the Great Britain Pound USD cross. Just because the pound cross seems to have found the base right here at the 0.382 fib from last month's move, around 156.60. And we have what I would watch for today in today's trading is to see if the low of the day around 156.35 holds. As long as that low holds, we could get another push up towards the daily price level around 157.40, then ultimately at the 50 fib at 157.82. That's all I have for today. I guess the things to keep in look out for tonight is the Aussie Reserve Board meeting, which is in early trading, and then in European trading we have the Great Britain CPI and the Euro-German ZOO report. But the thing to look out for actually would be any news out of Greece, because that could move these markets in a second. That's it. This is Currency Watch, and this is Chris Keene.